So,
This
hey guys,
is the birthday
dare challenge.
for Amanda's 12th birthday.
I'm gonna be stepping on her face, so hope you enjoy.
so funny. I want my nose back. Okay.
Okay.
For about 5 to 10 seconds.
7.
So, yeah, we're going to do 7 seconds because I'm too much of a chicken. Yeah, okay, so, ready?
That's my eye!
Oh my god! Okay. Okay, try again. Stop laughing. Try again.
Okay.
Just get this over with.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You need to put
5,
your
6, 7.
Your other foot is not in the air.
Oh.
You ready?
Go do this foot then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Oh! Oh! This is a terrible idea! Ah! Head trauma!
Happy birthday, Amanda!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I really hope you enjoyed seeing my face mutilated. Thank you.